Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Here I am going to show you how to use the unique function in Microsoft Excel. This unique function is available in the latest Excel versions, that is version 2021 and later, and Excel 365. First of all, let's see the formula, syntax and description of the unique function. Here in this cell, let me press equal to, then type unique. This is the description. The unique function returns the unique value from a range or array. And this is the formula syntax, where there are three parameters. The first parameter is the compulsory parameter, where we have to provide the array or range from which we want to generate the unique list. This by col parameter is for generating the unique list of column or row. And this exactly once parameter is for displaying the unique values that appears only one time in the range. Let's see the practical use of this unique function. Here in this range I have the product names, and the product names are repeating multiple times. The requirement here is to generate the unique list of products. For that, in this cell, press equal to, type unique, open bracket. In the array parameter, select the range of products, close bracket and press enter. Here you see this is the list of unique products. Let's see the optional parameters in the unique function. Here I have some data in column and row. From this range, if I need to create unique columns, then I can use the unique function here. Press equal to, type unique, bracket open. In the array, take this range, put a comma. In the by col parameter, select this true option, then close bracket and press enter. And here you see the unique columns are generated. To generate the unique rows, you can again use unique function here. Select the array, comma, then select the false option for generating unique rows. Close bracket, press enter, and here you see this is the unique rows. Let's see the third parameter of the function. For that, let me click on this cell, press equal to, type unique, bracket open. In the array, let me select this range, put a comma, skip this by col parameter by putting another comma, and in the exactly once, select the true option by double clicking, close bracket and press enter. And here you see this has displayed the unique list of products that are appearing only one time in the range. So this is how you can use the unique function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, download this sample data from the link given in the video description. Request you to subscribe the channel to get similar video updates in future. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.